welcome to my super messy house. Everything is so chaotic here. Our shipment has arrived. I had a little bit of a difficult time picking the light for the dining room. I couldn't make up my mind. There were so many choices. I actually needed the help of my husband. So I ended up getting something that looked really Scandinavian. Well, it's Scandinavian design, and I grouped them together and I hung them in different heights. The blinds turned out to be really good. The paint, oh my gosh, the paint looked really well. So I went with Davis Paint and I chose this really nice paint line called BioFresh, which is low in VOCs or volatile organic compounds. And it's really a new technology, and they make it in such a way where it's very easy to wipe the walls down. You just have to wipe it and the stains come off. The bathrooms look really good, and my husband loves the outcome of the master bathroom. We changed all the tiles from floor to ceiling, and Euro tiles came in. The new line is called Caesar, and it's really good and stylish and amazing. The improvised makeover for the kids' bathrooms, it turned out really well. So I changed the floor tiles because the old floor was some kind of yucky pink 1980s style, and so I turned it into black, made such a really good contrast, and I plan to paint the tiles, put a lot of decor and all that, so it's gonna look really nice. We've been moving house for the past few days, right? This is the third day and things are kind of like looking good already. The cleaners, professional cleaners are here and they're doing such an amazing job. I hired rainbow cleaners and they're so professional. I've used them in maybe 2 or 3 of my houses already, and I just use them over and over again. They do everything from shampooing the sofas to deep cleaning my mattresses. We might be able to sleep here tomorrow night, so we're all excited. So thank you for watching this episode, and stay tuned because I have so much more to show you. We are going to be working on this house a little bit at a time, so there's more to see. Like and subscribe to see more.